Welcome to a crafty catastrophe. Forgive my nails. I pick my nails off when I'm bored, and I didn't quite get all the nail polish off.
Girl, you gotta fix that.
Sure do, kitty. Today I will not be using a craft kit.
Why would you do that?
It'll be okay, kitty. I'll be using whatever craft supplies I have left to create a work of art. I do this a lot when my art supplies get low, and it's a great way to use leftovers.
I love leftovers. They're freaking awesome.
I couldn't agree more, kitty. Anywho, I'll be using a piece of wood. I painted the other side ages ago, but I'm not super attached to it, so I'm using the other side as the base for this project. I will also be using these 3 remaining paint colors from my paint set, as well as the pencil shavings. I know, super weird, but as I was sharpening my colored pencils, the shavings were so pretty I didn't have the heart to throw them out. Finally, months later, I'm using them to create a 3D piece of wall art. Let's get started. I like the paint colors as is. They're perfect and I like them just the way they are. I'm just painting some wavy lines, but you can paint whatever you like.
Whatever we like.
Okay. I'm gonna glue the pencil shavings on the board now, even though it's tacky. Should I wait? Yes. Will I wait? Nope. I'm told when I get older that I'll develop patience, but I'm not so sure about that. Dare to dream. And finally, my glue gun. I love my glue gun. The glue dries so fast, it's a fantastic invention, right up there with the light bulb. Just be careful about burning yourself. Ouchie! I burn myself a lot, but I'm used to it. What the Your parents may not want you to use the glue gun, but it speeds up the process. Son of a And there we are. Now we will take it outside and seal it with Mod Podge spray. I'm taking it outside because the last time I used toxic supplies in my room, it was intense. My room smelled for a week, and my entire family was teary-eyed for days. And you should go outside once in a while. A kid can't survive on YouTube and Roblox alone. Or can we?
Why, yes. Yes, you can.
Before the spray dries, we sprinkle it with glitter, because glitter makes everything better. And there we are, a piece of wall art made from leftover craft supplies. Thanks for watching and have a great day.